Today, I want to share with you one simple trick you can use to make your code more concise. Without going into the details, let's look at an example first. Here is a simple C program that prints the larger number between A and B. As we can see, the majority of the program is the if and else statement that assigns the larger number to the variable max. However, using a ternary operator, we can replace the if and else statement with a single line of code. Here is the same program, but instead of an if and else statement, we're using a ternary operator. A ternary operator is simply a shorthand way of writing if and else statement. It takes three arguments: the condition, the first expression, and the second expression. The condition goes before the question mark, and the two expressions go after the question mark, and they are separated by a colon. If the condition is true, the expression before the colon is used. If the condition is false, the expression after the colon is used. So in this example, since the condition is false, Max will get the value of B. Here is a more formal definition of the ternary operator, sometimes called conditional operator in other languages. The operator takes three arguments: condition, expression 1, and expression 2. If the condition is true, the value of expression 1 will be used. Else, the value of expression 2 will be used. You can also use the operator with the return statement. Similarly, when the condition is true, the value of expression 1 will be returned. Otherwise, the value of expression 2 will be returned. Note that you cannot always replace every if and else statement with ternary operator. However, if you are using an if and else statement to simply assign a value or to return a value, a ternary operator is an elegant way to make your code more concise without sacrificing a lot of readability. Also, some languages have different syntax for the operation. For example, in Python, you write the first expression first, then the condition, and finally the second expression. I recommend you to look at the past programs you did and see if you can use ternary operator in some of your codes.